Hello. So I am doing a review for On Veneers. I've been meaning to do this video. Um, so just a little quick backstory on my teeth situation. Um, and also, so I am a mom of two boys. I am also a hairdresser and salon owner. Um, so I need to, I feel like, look, a certain way as far as like obviously my hair and whatever. So, years ago, I had some dental work done where I had gotten some root canals and caps up on this side, and this was like years and years ago. And then a few years ago, I had gotten a root canal and a cap on this side, down on the bottom over here. So during the pandemic, I lost one of my root canals, and I couldn't get to the dentist because it was a pandemic. And then I had lost the cap to this down here. And after the pandemic, I went to the dentist, and basically I need like thousands of dollars worth of cosmetic dentistry that my insurance doesn't cover. So I have really been looking and trying to figure out what I want to do as far as, I need some bridges. I need a bridge probably here and then here. And the thing is that I want my teeth whiter. So if I get the bridge, then my teeth aren't going to be whiter. And I don't know. I don't know if I want to spend all of that money, whatever. So I was just looking at, or thinking of, I need to find something else or a different option. And somehow I came across On Veneers, and I really just started doing a lot of research and watching all of the reviews and reading all of their reviews, and everything that I was reading and watching looked amazing. So, and also the fact that they were based in New York really eased my fear, just because I'm on Long Island, they're in New York City, which isn't like that far away. You can go to the location to get your impressions, and also pick up your veneers. So I felt like that was, that could have been an option for me. I did choose just to have them ship everything to me. The impression kit was sent to me like the day after I placed my order. The instructions were very simple. I just followed the instructions, and I sent everything back. The next day I had gotten an email shortly after saying that I had done a good job with the impressions, and that, and that was it. And then 2 weeks later, I got my veneers. So I have to say that I've been wearing them religiously for about 2 weeks, maybe a little less. I don't obviously wear them at night because they say it's important for your teeth to breathe. So I take them off at night, but I really feel like I'm really talking better with them. Like you can barely really hear the difference. A lot of people they haven't said. The people that I see all the time don't know. My kids don't even know that I have them in. So, I love it. I can eat with them. I don't have that anxiety and stress over that I'm going to swallow something, or, something's going to fall down the drain. So it's giving me some time, if anything, to figure out what I'm doing, if I even want to go that route. So anyway, I just want to show you my teeth. So they're not bad, but this is the tops. And then I am missing some teeth in the back, which bother me. And then this is the teeth that I'm missing in the back here, tooth. And then this one in the front. So you can see. So it's not bad, but it's not good. So I'm going to show you what my veneers look like when I put them in. So these are my bottoms. So I'm just going to go ahead and put those right in. And you can hear the click. and now this is what they look like. And there, so that tooth is not there. It's not missing anymore. And then this is the tops. So I'm going to go ahead and put those in. So this is the tops. So now I'm not missing those teeth on the side and there. I also had a tooth that was looking very gray, just from like silver filling, and I wasn't liking it on the side, so that's all taken care of. I am actually having them remake the tops just because there's a little fit issue with over here. Everything else fits beautifully. The bottoms are amazing. So with Pop-On Veneers, you get what's called the Pop-On Promise, and they will remake free of cost remake either the tops or the bottoms. So I am having them just remake the tops for me because of this issue right here. Other than that, they're amazing. The customer service has been fantastic. You can hear me talking with them in. I'm doing really well. Like I said, I can even eat with them in now, which took a little getting used to. But I mean, like, I can eat chicken. I mean, I just make it a little smaller, but I eat chicken, I eat salad, I eat whatever. I mean, obviously I'm not chewing gum, but you know, it's amazing. I can't say enough about this company. If you have missing teeth or you are looking for a different option, this, I would say 100%. I would not even question it. They are amazing. The customer service has been fantastic. I've gotten, as soon as I sent an email, a response back. So for just a little under, I think it wound up being for me like around $500, a little bit more for both top and bottom. I mean, you can't beat it. And this is what my smile looks like. And I love it. And I just feel more confident. I don't feel self-conscious that something's gonna pop out, or I'm gonna swallow something, or, you know, food's getting caught, or whatever the case was. So that is it. That is my review. I hope this helps you. I hope this helps you make your decision. I really wouldn't think twice about it. They've been absolutely amazing. It was my pleasure to do this review for them. And that's it. So thank you, Pop-On Veneers.